Hello viewer, in this video I discuss about an unseen and secret setting that actually provided by lot of tech expert. They ensure that one setting can significantly boost your phone performance. So let's dive the video. First, open your phone setting. Scroll down and find out About Phone. Now tap on About Phone. Now find Software Information. Now from here, tap 7 times on build number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Tap on OK. Now developer mode has been turned on. Now go back to your setting. Now in the search box, search developer option. Go to developer option. From here, scroll down and find out animation. Now go to window animation. From here, select animation scale 0.5x, or if you need more phone performance or more speed, then turn off your animation. Now go to transition animation and do the same thing. Now go to animator duration scale. Now from here, select animation scale 0.5x. So guys, turn on this setting right now and feel your device actual speed. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.